Hoppas de inte med notis. Så mycket ice, jag har 2 freezers. Vi borde lägga rush och hitta härifrån. Aina är en gris. Aina är en gris.
Och välkomna tillbaka till en helt ny video. Idag kommer bli en galen dag tror jag. Det är nämligen så att jag är på väg till Skövde. Så jag och min klasspolare, han som jag lekte med på Skövde Sommarland för i våras. Han och jag anordnat ett moppe i Skövde. Och vi ska... Ja, jag är på väg dit nu. Mina polare drog lite förväg för min kedja. Kedjelåset gick sönder. Ja.
Vad fan var det där om eller?
Kedjelåset sprack när jag startade på gräsmattan.
Och så fan löste du det då?
Jag tog brorsans.
Ja, perfekt.
Ja.
Hur länge ska vi vänta in på det?
Typ 10 över kvart över någonting.
Vi rycker strumpan kanske. Det är lite piggare.
Får göra det. Men jag måste köpa en drivpaket.
Alltså?
Allt är slut. Tycker jag. Så, det borde funka. Nej. Men den är på så det är bara att trycka på knappen.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
Ja, nu är det race CH70 mot Jo125. cc vinner. Ja, nu ska vi dra allihopa till donken då. inte, men det kommer någon på en kross också. Att det är såna... Jag vet inte, men han skulle komma tror jag. Ja, han var på väg.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, they put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo.
the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease of play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. Don't never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.